Hello, thanks for tuning in. This is a tutorial for how to make an origami lily. This video was recorded for Pasadena Public Library by volunteer and Teen Advisory Board member Jasmine. My name is Jane Gov and I will be narrating the tutorial. First, we're going to take a square of whichever paper you're using and fold it diagonally. Keep in mind that whatever color of the paper is face down first will become the outside color of the lily. In this case, our lily will be blue with a green inside. Now, unfold your diagonal crease, turn the paper, and fold it diagonally the other way. Unfold the crease you just made, turn the paper again, and fold it horizontally, edge to edge instead of corner to corner. Finally, unfold that horizontal crease, turn the paper around again, and fold it horizontally the other way. Grab the lower corners of this rectangle you formed and collapse it in on itself using the creases you've made. Then carefully flatten the paper out into a square. Turn and crease the flaps so that you can easily flap them back and forth. Make sure the open end of your square is facing toward you. Take one of the flaps, open it out, and squash it flat so that it looks like a kite shape. Turn the model over and do the same with the other 3 flaps, opening them out and squashing them flat. Flip the flaps back and forth, flattening and creasing so that you can easily go from one to another. On the flaps that you've just squashed flat, take the lower raw edges on either side and fold them into the center. Unfold the creases you've just made. Lift up the raw edge that cuts across the paper, connecting the left and right outer corners of the model. Take the single layer only. Fold this edge upwards, allowing the 2 outer edges to squash inwards towards the center line. This should form a kite-shaped figure. Take the tip of this kite-shaped figure and fold it downwards. Swivel the flaps around and repeat on the other side. And again, repeat those steps on the other two sides as well. Flip the model around so that the open end points away from you. Swivel the flaps around to one of the plain, smooth faces. Fold the lower raw edges in so that they align with the center crease. Swivel the flaps around and repeat on the other plain, smooth sides. Take the upper flaps or petals and curl them outwards. You may have to recrease the base to prevent the petals from springing back into place. Use a pen or pencil to curl the petals. And there you have it. You've made an origami lily. Thanks for watching.